butadiene system in thermal condition will proceed through Kohn rotation process. Now in the case of photochemical condition, we have to consider Psi3 as HOMO. This is highest occupied molecular orbital, and there is 2 nodes. Here you can see that there is 2 nodes, and by the process of this rotation, you can see that if we rotate by this rotatory fashion, so it will connect each other. Okay, this molecular orbital will connect each other and it will form. So in the case of photochemical condition, this 1,3-butadiene system will proceed through this rotatory fashion. Now the next is okay. Now the second example is 1,3-hexatriene system. Okay, so 1,3-hexatriene system. Here, this is the molecular diagram. This is the molecular diagram for 1,3-hexatriene system. This is Psi1, this is Psi2, this is Psi3, Psi4, Psi5, and Psi6. We can use the term Psi1, Psi2, Psi3, and Psi4. Okay, and now this is the number of nodes. For 1,3-5-hexatriene system, in thermal condition, Psi3 will act as HOMO, and in photochemical condition, Psi4 will act as HOMO as well as LUMO. Now the next is reaction and stereochemistry. So here you can see that the thermal condition. So this is thermal condition where Psi3 will act as HOMO, and by this rotatory method, bonding takes place. And Kohn rotatory is not possible in thermal condition. And photochemical condition, the process will be Kohn rotatory. Here you can see that Kohn rotatory. So this is the system 1,3,5-hexatriene. So what is the rule? Okay, so here you can see that 4n system in thermal condition, it will proceed through Kohn rotatory process, and in photochemical condition, it will proceed through this rotatory fashion. Now, in the case of 4n+2 system, that is 6-pi system, in thermal condition, the reaction will proceed through this rotatory, and in photochemical condition, the reaction will proceed through Kohn rotatory method. Now, the next is what will happen in the case of substituents. Suppose I am taking the example of 4n system. This is 2E4Z hexadiene. Okay, so this is the example, and here you can see that the product. The product is cis. So the question is why we get this cis product. So what we have to do for this? So here, first of all, we check. Okay. So first of all, here we have to check the stereochemistry of this double bond. So here you can see that this double bond is trans. This double bond is trans in nature, and second, this double bond is cis in nature. Okay, so first double bond is trans and second double bond is cis. So what will be the resultant stereochemistry of reagent? So trans into cis is trans. So the overall stereochemistry of this reagent will be trans. Okay, so here you can see that if in thermal condition, here you can see that if Kohn rotation occurs, so there will be change in stereochemistry. Okay, so we have already discussed here in 4n system, 4-pi system, in thermal condition, Kohn rotation. Okay, so Kohn rotation is possible in 4n system, so there will be change in symmetry, and this trans reagent will convert into cis product. That's why we get cis product here. That is the reason, and that is the stereochemistry of this reaction. Now the second example is, okay, this is second example. This is 2E4E hexadiene system. I think you all know that what is 2E and 4E. This is hexadiene system, and here first we have to check the position. We have to check the stereochemistry of this double bond. So the first double bond, this is first double bond. Wait, this is first double bond. Okay, so this double bond is trans in nature. First double bond is trans, and this double bond is also trans. Okay, so trans into trans is cis. Okay, trans and trans cis. And in thermal condition, conrotation occurs, and conrotation will change the stereochemistry. So this is cis product, and that's why we get trans product. Okay, so overall stereochemistry of reagent is cis, and after the conrotation, we will get trans product, trans 3,4 dimethyl cyclobutene. This is the reason. Now the next is okay, so next is in photochemical condition. Okay, now next is photochemical condition. So here this is rule. In photochemical condition, this rotation occur. So this is a photochemical. This is the reaction in which 2E4Z hexadiene. This is 2E and 4Z. So first we have to check the position of or stereochemistry of double bond. So this first double bond is okay. This is first double bond, and this first double bond is trans. Okay, this is trans, and this second double bond is cis. So trans into cis and the trans into cis will multiply, and that will give the resultant stereochemistry is trans. Okay, and in the condition of trans, in the condition photochemical condition, generally this rotation occurs, and here you can see that this rotation is equal to no change in stereochemistry. If this rotation is possible, so there will be no change in stereochemistry. So this is trans and this is cis, and the resultant is trans. So that's why the product is trans 3,4 dimethyl cyclobutene. And here you can see that two product. Okay, so this is stereoselectivity. Okay, stereoselectivity, as I told you earlier, this is the property of chemical reaction in which single reactant forms an unequal mixture of stereoisomers. So this is the property of pericyclic reaction. Now the second example here you can see that this is 2E4E hexadiene. So in this condition, the first double bond is trans. First double bond is trans, and second double bond is also trans. So trans multiply with trans, and the resultant will be cis. Okay, because in photochemical condition, this rotation occurs. So this rotation here, this rotation is possible. So cis will convert into cis. Okay, that means there is no change in stereochemistry. That's why we get the product cis 3,4 dimethyl cyclobutene. Okay, so next is okay. So next example is 4n plus 2 system, that is 6 pi system. So we have to follow this rule again. Here this is the example 2e4z 6e octatriene system. Okay, अब यहाँ पे हमें चेक करना है सबसे पहले डबल बॉन्ड की स्टीरियोकेमिस्ट्री. सो हियर दिस इज फर्स्ट डबल बॉन्ड. सो स्टीरियोकेमिस्ट्री ऑफ दिस बॉन्ड इज this is stereochemistry. First, the stereochemistry of first bond is trans, and second is also trans. Okay, so the resultant is trans into trans cis. Okay, so here in thermal condition, here you can see that for 4n plus 2 system, this rotation will occur, and this rotation will cause no change in stereochemistry. So we get this cis product. Okay, we get this cis product. Now the second is 2e4z 6z octatriene system, and here the stereochemistry of double bond is this is trans and this is cis. Trans and cis will give the resultant stereochemistry trans, and that's why we get this trans product. This is the reason. Okay, and here you can see that the molecular orbital diagram, this is disrotatory and this is disrotatory. This rotation means the molecular orbital will move in opposite direction. This is disrotation. Now the next example is okay. Okay, so next example in photochemical condition for 4n plus 2 system. So first we have to check in photochemical condition Kohn rotation will occur, and in Kohn rotation stereochemistry will change. That's why we get this trans product. Okay, so this is trans product. That means the reagent will be cis. Okay, the reagent will be cis. And second, 4 2e 4z 6z system. So we get this cis product. That means this reagent will be trans in nature. So that is the reason. Now the second type of reaction is cycloaddition reaction, and here you can see that the example of cycloaddition reaction in which 1,3-butadiene system will react is reacting with ethene molecule, and that will give